Dr. Dumajan. I'm here with one of my lovely patients who came to Deuk Spine Institute with a problem with his lower back. I can tell you he's had a laminectomy before. It didn't work. He looked us up, came here yesterday, had the Deuk laser disc repair. We fixed 5 areas on his disc. And how are you doing today?
I'm very emotional. I got home yesterday and the sunset was behind me and my wife took a picture of me thanking God for what happened to me yesterday. I've had back pain since 1973. I got hurt in the Army, putting helicopter blades back on a helicopter. I lived with it for over 50 years, pain. 3 years ago, the VA decided to cut 3 bones off my spine. I've been unstable and on a walker ever since. My life has deteriorated immensely. I was 280 pounds 3 years ago. I'm barely 200 pounds now, and it's not because I wanted to lose the weight. All my muscle is gone because of what happened before.
And did the VA surgery fix your problem?
It made it worse.
That was a laminectomy.
That, when they cut the bones off my spine, whatever you call it. But the thing about it is that after that, it took me 3 years to even get them to, I was at 30% disability to begin with, and it took them 3 years to get me to 80. And then now I'm at 90, but I haven't been able to work. I haven't been able to mow my lawn. I can't ride my Harley Davidson anymore because of the surgery that they did, the instability. I've been in the ER 15 times since that surgery from falls. It's the worst feeling in the world to be a 280-pound farm boy down to a 200-pound, very weak-minded, weak strength. I can't get up and go do anything without a walker or somebody with me until yesterday. What you did for me yesterday, there's no amount of thankfulness that I can show you or tell you, except that I took you for a man of your words and you came through for me. I walked in here without my walker. I've been walking around this morning without my walker, and I don't feel like I'm gonna fall. I'm not afraid anymore. I got hope again. I got hope to be a man again and
Good.
Be self-worth.
You had the Deuk laser disc repair. We went in and fixed 3 discs, but 2 of the discs from both sides because the nerves were being pinched on both sides. And now you're walking without the walker. Do you feel like a new man?
I feel like a new man, but hopeful to be a great man again. And I thank you with all my heart. My family thanks you.
You're welcome. And you can see in the surgery we did on your back that we went in with the laser and we cleaned out the tears and got rid of the herniations, and now your discs will heal naturally. We didn't put anything artificial in your back. You have your natural spine. You didn't need the laminectomy that the VA did. It was unnecessary and it put you through a lot of pain and suffering. Are you on any pain medication today?
You know, I didn't even take Tylenol for my neck at all. I have no pain anywhere in my body, none. I can feel one spot that it feels like something happened there, but it's not painful at all.
Well, is there anything you want to tell your people out there?
Anybody needs to check with this clinic and this man right here and the staff here is just absolutely unbelievably wonderful. I got treated with so much dignity and fun, actually, yesterday. It was a blast. Anybody that has questions, do not allow people to cut into your back until you do research. And this is where you need to start your research.
Thank you. Thank you.
I appreciate it so much.
Well, we love our patients, and we especially love our veterans who are patients.
This one sure loves you, buddy. Thank you.
So take care. You take
God bless you all.
Thank you.